ranking the best original
Maybe
sounds.
they said cringy so that like it's probably like fucking PT scary. Let's click on it.
No. Hi.
Okay.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
When I went to his bedroom to say goodnight, and he was crying because of the abuse that he was enduring in this school system.
Then why did you stay in Mexico?
You need to leave. It's disgusting.
I mean, are you kidding me?
That's indicative of what these kids are experiencing. That's indicative of what our kids are experiencing.
What's wrong? What's wrong with you? La 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 la. Elmo's what the?
Let me tell you something. 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 Wait. Hold on. Hey, wait. No. Wait. What did you want to tell me? Both of you guys. What did you want to tell me? Double check. Safety first. Double check.